Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Flix TV. Today we're at Lid's Hair Salon for the season finale, and the beautiful and very talented Stephanie Colomeco is busy working behind me. Stephanie is the lady responsible for my hair all season. Now, we had a great time this year at events such as Fan Expo, Shock Stock, and the North by Northeast Film Festival, as well as doing skits for you that mostly involved torturing Dave. Remember that you can join us on Facebook and Twitter for clips and vlogs during the off season, and we'll be back next season with less Christian Slater and Fred Savage and more movie love and interviews with hunks like Norman Reedus. Coming up on this episode, we have a short film called Dragonfly for you, which was seen earlier this year at Cannes Film Festival. It was written by, directed by, and starred longtime Londoner now living in Toronto, Tyler Parr. Now, Tyler has been involved with the comedy troupe Fully Insured around the city for years, has appeared in countless short films, and is currently sporting one of the best beards I've seen in years. So stay tuned and hear all about Tyler's misadventures in France at one of the world's most prestigious film festivals.